In the rain-soaked jungles of Central America, a silent crisis unfolds. Many might dismiss the sight of frogs leaping and croaking as just another facet of nature's chorus. But these amphibians hold a secret. They are environmental indicators, harbingers of the health of their ecosystems. Among the thousands of frog species, a disconcerting number teeter on the brink of extinction due to habitat loss, climate change, and disease. Scientists, however, believe that not all is lost. Conservationists have launched ambitious efforts to save these melodious creatures, recognizing their crucial ecological roles in controlling pest populations and being integral to the food web. By creating and maintaining protected reserves, implementing captive breeding programs, and spearheading global awareness campaigns, dedicated teams work tirelessly to ensure that future generations can hear the nighttime symphony of frogs. The absence of their croaks would signify a profound ecological silence, so preserving these unique voices is vital. In saving the frogs, we save a part of ourselves,